Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can repair a Samsung Galaxy J2 2018 mobile phone with the help of new display and new buttons. So as you can see, this is the new buttons that I required to repair my Samsung Galaxy J2 2018 mobile phone. And in my previous video I showed you guys I have received an new display for this smartphone, and this is the last piece that I required to repair this mobile phone. So with this new parts, now I can start my repairing process. So this is the old casing of this mobile phone. So now I have to install new buttons to this casing. Okay, so this product came in a well packed manner. So this came inside a bubble wrap, and they have included this plastic casing for the extra protection, and it inside that there was a Ziploc bag also. So these are the new buttons, and as you can see it's well preserved. It came in a well preserved manner. So now I have to fix these things to this mobile phone. Okay, so let's try these tools that I received with the new display. So there are several tools now, so let's try some of those. Okay. Okay, I hope you see the process. You have to put these two legs into this slot. In that way, this will properly fixed into this button slot. And now I have to fix these two volume buttons. So I can say you guys some tip about this new switches. So when fixing these things, I hope you can see here. Okay, there's this big white part here. This one, this should be come to the top. So the small white part must come to the bottom. So in that way you can find the direction that you have to fix these switches buttons. Okay, so okay, I recommend that you to use a tweezer when fixing these things, so it will be easy for you guys to do this process using a tweezer. Okay, okay, it's fixed. Okay, now clean a little bit. Okay, everything is perfect. And clean the circuitry also. Check the all the plugs are well plugged, whether they have plugged properly, and clean this surface. And okay, you better remove these screws from these slots. Okay, for that you have received some screwdrivers here, so use them. Use the proper ones and do the task. Okay, so I have paused the video and take out the screws, and because I previously attached those screws to these slots, otherwise I thought that they will get missing. So as I have received all the new components, now I'm fixing the mobile phone back together. So that's why I disassemble all the take apart those screws. Okay, now everything is good for my eye. Yeah, it seems good. Camera also clear, flasher, and all plugs are well placed. And okay, let's plug this thing. Okay, okay. Okay, it seems everything is well plugged. Okay, so this is my new display. So all I have to do is now to fix this display to the uh, rest of the mobile phone. So before that I have to show you guys the glue that I bought to fix this thing. So this is B7000 multi-purpose adhesive. uh, I have seen uh, repair people are using this glue to fix this kind of electronic devices, so that's why I bought this one. So let's try this out. So you have to apply this adhesive in this entire frame board of this frame here, and some here. So we have to So guys, as you can see now, I have uh, fixed the new display to this Samsung Galaxy J2 2018 smartphone body, and as you can see, I have used some uh, rubber bands to keep the new display and the body together, and so hopefully after some time everything will get uh, well attached to each other, and uh, I can use this mobile phone as a new mobile phone. So this is basically the procedure of repairing this kind of faulty mobile phone. So now only thing that I have to do is, after nearly 2 hours or 3 hours, I can remove these rubber bands, and I can full charge this mobile phone and use this. And if there are any excess glue attached to the this kind of places, yes, like these kind of places, then I can remove those things, and then everything is looks as a new mobile phone. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Let's meet with another good video.